morning, students. Welcome to Maths online classes. Today topic application on cardinality of sets. Exercise 1.6 continues. Okay. A and B are two sets such that number of A difference B is equal to 32 plus X. Number of B difference A is equal to 5x and the number of A intersection B is equal to x. Illustrate the information by means of a Venn diagram. Given that number of A is equal to number of B, calculate the value of x. Solution. Formulas for number of A and number of B. Number of A is equal to number of A difference B plus number of A intersection B, and number of B formulas is number of B is equal to number of B difference A plus number of A intersection B. Given number of A difference B is equal to 32 plus x, number of B difference A is equal to 5x, and number of A intersection B is equal to x. Now, number of A is equal to 32 plus x plus x. Number of A is equal to 32 plus x is equal to 2x. Okay, this equation number 1. Number of B is equal to 5x plus x. Number of B is equal to 5x plus x is equal to 6x. Equation number 2. Number of A is equal to number of B is formula. Condition, given condition. Also given number of A is equal to number of B. Then equation 1 is equal to equation 2. Equation 1 value 32 plus 2x is equal to equation 2 value 6x. 32 is equal to 6x. 2x bring the right side minus 2x. That is equal to 4x is equal to 32. X is equal to 32 x x is equal to 32 divided by 4. 1 4 is 4, 8 4s are 32. Therefore, x is equal to 8. Okay, find the value of x is equal to 8. Okay. Next question. After 500 cars owners investigated 400 owned car A and 200 owned car B. 50 owned both A and B cars. Is this data correct? Solution. Using addition formula, number of A union B is equal to number of A plus number of B minus number of A intersection B. Number of A union B is equal to 500, given value. Equation number 1. Number of A is equal to 400, number of B is equal to 200, number of A intersection B is equal to 50. Using addition formula, number of A intersection B is equal to 400 plus 200 minus 50. That is equal to 400 plus 200 is equal to 600. 600 minus 50, that is equal to 550. Equation number 2. Therefore, equation number 1 not equal to equation number 2. Equation number 1 is not is equal to equation number 2. Therefore, this data is incorrect. Okay, right. Next, question 9th question. In a colony, 270 families buy Tamil newspaper. 150 families buys English newspaper. 450 families buys Hindi newspaper. 125 families buys Tamil and English newspapers. 17 families buy English and Hindi newspapers. 5 families buy Tamil and Hindi newspapers, and 3 families buys all the 3 newspapers. If each family buy at least one of these newspapers, then find, first question, number of families buys only one newspapers. And second question, number of families buys at least 2 newspapers. At least 2 newspapers. Question, total number of families in the colony. Okay, right. Next, solution. First one, Tamil newspaper buyers number of A is equal to 275. Next, English newspaper buyers number of B is equal to 150. Hindi newspaper buyers number of C is equal to 45. Tamil and English newspapers number of A intersection B is equal to 125. English and Hindi newspapers number of B intersection C is equal to 17. Hindi and Tamil newspaper buyers number of C intersection A is equal to 5. All the 3 newspaper buyers number of A intersection B intersection C is equal to 3. Using Venn diagram. First, middle value. 3 newspapers buyers is equal to 3. Next, both A and B is equal to 125. Next, B and C newspapers 17. Next, A and C newspaper buyers 5. Next, totally A newspaper 275. Totally B newspaper 150. C newspaper 45. Both A and B newspaper buyers 170, 125 minus 3 is equal to 122. This. Next, B and C newspaper only is equal to 17 minus 3 is equal to 14. Next, A and C newspapers only 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. Okay, next. A newspaper only buyers is equal to 275 minus 122 plus 3 plus 2, that is equal to 148. That is equal to 148. Next, B newspaper only B newspapers. Only B newspaper 150 minus 122 plus 3 plus 14, that is equal to 11. Next, C newspapers. 45 minus of 2 plus 3 plus 14, that is equal to 26. Okay. Next, number of people. First one, number of families buys only one newspaper is equal to 148 plus 11 plus 26, that is equal to 185. Next, second, number of families buys at least 2 newspapers is equal to 122 plus 14 plus 2 plus 3, that is equal to 141 families. Next, third one, total number of families in the colony is equal to 148 plus 11 plus 26 plus 122 plus 14 plus 2 plus 3, that is equal to 326. Okay, right. Next question number 10. A survey of 1000 farmers found that 600 grow paddy, 350 grow ragi, 280 grow corn, 120 grow paddy and ragi, 100 grow ragi and corn, 80 grow paddy and corn. If each farmer grow at least one of the above 3, then find the number of farmers who grow all the 3. Next, solution. Let P, Q, P or C represented the paddy and grow and ragi and corn. Okay, right. First circle P circle paddy, R second R circle ragi and corn C. Okay, right. Three farmers is equal to X. This is Venn diagram. 120 minus X, paddy and ragi. Ragi and corn only 100 minus x. Paddy and corn only 80 minus x. Okay. Then A is equal to 600 minus 120 minus x plus 80 minus x. That is equal to 600 minus of 120 plus 80, 200 minus plus x minus cancel, remaining minus x. That is equal to 600 600 minus 200 minus into minus plus x, that is equal to 400 plus x. Then next B is equal to 350 minus of 120 minus x plus 100 minus x. That is equal to 350 minus 120 plus 100 is equal to 220 minus x plus x cancel, minus x. Next 350 minus 220. This is 220. This is 220. 350 minus 350 minus 220 plus x. Okay, that is equal to 130 plus x. Okay, right. One 130 plus x. Next 130 plus x. Next C is equal to 280 minus of 80 minus x plus 100 minus x. That is equal to 280. This is 10 removed. Cancel out. 280 minus 180 minus x is equal to 280 minus 180 minus into minus plus x. That is equal to 100 plus x. 100 plus x. Each farmer grow at least one of the above three. The number of farmers who grow all the three is x. That is equal to a plus b plus c plus 120 minus x plus 100 minus x plus 80 minus x plus x. That is equal to total number of farmers is equal to 1000. That is equal to add 400 plus x minus x plus x, remove 400 plus x plus 130 plus x plus 100 plus x plus 120 minus x plus 100 minus x plus 80 minus x plus x is equal to 1000. That is equal to, simplifies, that is equal to, therefore 930 plus x is equal to 1000, that is equal to x is equal to 1930, bring the right side, that is equal to 70. Therefore 70 farmers grow all the 3 crops. Okay, right.